Hey friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery. Today's Tuesday. You know what that means. Tutorial Tuesday.
So today we're going to learn how to do the single crochet stitch. You want to grab some yarn and a hook. Let's get started. So you're going to make your slip knot. You're going to make a chain. Doesn't matter the multiple. You can use any number of chains you want or need for your project. Let's just do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll just do 16. Because you want to have one chain for your turning chain with single crochet. So I chained just 16. Let me zoom in here. And for this, you're going to go into the second chain from your hook. Remember, this loop on your hook never counts as a stitch. So we're going to do 1, 2. And you can make a choice here. I typically like to work into this back bump. So if you flip your chain over, you got your V's on this side. In the back, it looks like you've got these little lumps here, or humps. So you can either go underneath this chain, or if you would rather, and this is sometimes easier too, just to go through the top of your V. So, but I'm going to go through the back bump because I like that look better. So I pick that up, yarn over, pull through. I have 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through all the loops. Let's do that again. Go under the bump, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both of those loops. And that's it. That's all there is to it, to the single crochet. We'll do a few more chains here. You go under the bump, grab your yarn, pull through, 2 on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. Let's continue that to the end of the row. And that last bump can sometimes be hard to get under, but just do the best you can. And there you go, friends. You've done a single crochet. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I'm here for you every Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesday. And if you're also a knitter or want to learn how to knit as well, I do Make and Knit Mondays every Mondays. And yeah, so make sure you follow me, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and comment below what your favorite stitch is if you're a crocheter, or if there's a stitch you want me to teach you how to do, let me know. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys next week.